So this movie is a sex comedy, a horror movie, a thriller,
कुछ भी है ये
gangster.
I think the film is too long. If this was like a 100-minute tight jailbreak movie, I would have enjoyed it a lot more.
Yeah, agreed.
And
बट हुआ क्या, दिव्या खोसला ने अपने इंस्टाग्राम पे स्टोरी डाल दी कि
So dude, that fucking Landa. At the end, he just became like a super villain, or?
so the topic is very important. ठीक है?
Yeah, people should be able to make their own videos.
नहीं नहीं,
if
so
they want.
मतलब मैं आगे
One part I did like was.
Oh yes. पता नहीं हम लोग इसको रिव्यू क्यों बुलाते हैं. चलो let's call it our thoughts.
We all saw Jigra, and now we understand. We relate even. Why the father killed himself in the beginning of the movie itself.
What the fuck?
Because he knew what kind of movie this is gonna be.
क्या बात कर रहे हो?
We get it.
No,
We
no.
all get it.
these are only Antariksh.
Yeah, that's just
Not
Antariksh.
Well, we wanted a bombastic start. Can't be a bigger bombastic start.
Mr. Bombastic.
Sure. Okay. What he said. All right. Welcome to another episode of Popcorn Nation. I'm Antariksh Thakkar, joined by.
Snail Aneja.
And Abbas Momin.
And today we are reviewing Jigra, and one of us is also reviewing Vicky Vidya ka wo wala video. Because only one of us has seen वो वाला video and वो वाला movie.
नहीं, so the thing is, I मतलब हम लोग पता नहीं हम लोग इसको रिव्यू क्यों बुलाते हैं. चलो let's call it our thoughts. ठीक है. So
Extended thoughts.
Where we
Extended
talk
thoughts.
about
Extended
how
thoughts and somewhat of a review.
yeah, somewhat of a review. Yes.
Yeah.
review-ish.
Ish.
Ishq. Ishq is a good
Devdas.
film.
Yeah.
भाई एक बंदा
Check
बहुत
out the Hazard Usual episode streaming on
You're
YouTube.
still plugging
right?
that?
I'm still on it.
Dude. When
yeah, someone
last week you
commented.
didn't.
What?
Last week you didn't plug Hazard Aged Well, and someone's commented, "Oh, Abbas's days of plugging had it aged well are over."
ओ ये एक ने ये भी लिखा था कि अब से अब्बास कभी हैज इट एज्ड वेल प्लग
क्यों नहीं यार, अभी plug
और
कर
स्नेहिल
दो.
कभी
स्नेहिल
से
इरिटेट नहीं होगा.
103 एपिसोड है ऑनलाइन, जाओ देखो, मजे करो. हाँ.
हाँ
Anyway, coming back to
so
Jigra.
मैंने
हाँ, पॉपरा भी देख लिया करो. Just a film game show.
मैं पता नहीं कुछ और टॉपिक स्टार्ट किया था बट एज इन चलो कोई नहीं.
विकी विद्या.
So okay. Have you seen both the films?
I've only seen Jigra.
And I've only seen Jigra.
I've seen both the films. Anyway,
Oh,
मेरे
you've seen
पास
both
तो
the films.
समय बहुत ही ज़्यादा है, पता नहीं क्यों. Anyway,
वो तो
नहीं समय रहना. Has it got late? Have you got? नहीं, India's
cut
got
that
late.
out. I knew you were going to go there.
Why? अरे.
चलो anyway ठीक है. मैंने दोनों देखी हैं. So मैंने
कौन सी better लगी?
जिगरा of course.
Okay. I don't know, man. But
Oh, okay.
you're the guy
We
who's
don't-
known for liking Tarzan the Wonder Car, so
Yes.
just
yes.
putting it out there.
I mean,
Anyway.
you are, but
So I didn't know this, but the director of Vicky Vidya was a writer on Comedy Circus.
Yeah.
yeah,
And,
that's what they're saying, that the
it
whole
looks like
movie looks
Comedy
like
It's
Circus.
Comedy
sketches.
Circus, yeah.
Yeah.
So with Vicky Vidya का वो वाला
Blah,
video,
blah, 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 blah. A lot of those.
sort of, yes. The thing is, पता है, the worst part of the film is that it's still not ended.
हैं?
It's a sequel. They've announced a sequel in the film.
Cliffhanger
अच्छा.
पे end किया
Yeah.
है.
मुझे
So-
लगा तू अभी पिक्चर देख के आ रहा है और निकल गया बीच
No.
रास्ते में.
So the
कि
thing,
movie चल रही है.
नहीं मैं बताता हूँ. So the basic plot of the film is कि विकी विद्या
वो तो
जो
trailer
है-
में दिखा
हाँ,
दिया
उन्होंने
था.
शादी करी है, उन्होंने एक वीडियो बनाया है जो अपनी फर्स्ट नाइट
Sex
का
tape.
स्पेशल
वो वाला
वीडियो
video
है.
बनाया.
एंड अब वो सीडी जो है वो चोरी हो गई है. नाउ दे आर लुकिंग फॉर द सीडी एवरीवेयर. डूड, द फिल्म स्टार्ट्स लाइक दिस. ठीक है कि जो राजकुमार राव जो है वो परस्यू कर रहा है अपने से आउट ऑफ लीग लड़की को. उसकी इसी तरीके से शादी हो जाती है. वो लोग वीडियो बना लेते हैं. वो लोग पूरी मूवी में वीडियो ढूंढ रहे हैं. भाई इंटरवल के 15-20 मिनट बाद मूवी एकदम ही आयुष्मान खुराना रूट ले लेती है भाई लाइफ में.
Oh, मतलब preaching.
ओहो, मतलब सो द टॉपिक इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ठीक है.
Yeah, people should be able to make their own videos.
नहीं
if
सो
they want.
मतलब मैं आगे लेके मैं ट्विस्ट नहीं डिस्क्लोज करना
अरे
चाहता.
करना भाई,
But हाँ, वैसे
करना भाई.
मतलब मत
Spoiler
ही
alert,
पहली बात तो
guys.
मत देखना. ठीक है.
अच्छा, पर देख रहे हो तो spoiler
हाँ.
alert. You have been warned.
The funny part is that Vicky Vidya has actually earned more than Jigra in the first
Not by
4-5
much,
days.
but-
Not by much, 2-3 करोड़. But anyway. So basic plot ये है कि इनका ये लोग सीडी ढूंढ रहे हैं जो सीडी गुम गई है. एंड देन इनको एक फोन आता है एक गैंगस्टर से जो बाय द वे पहले पूरी
Lawrence
मूवी
Fishburne.
में नहीं है. नहीं
लॉरेंस कृष्णा का फोन आया.
नहीं, जो पहले पूरी मूवी में नहीं है, आखिरी आधे घंटे में रैंडमली एक गैंगस्टर आ जाती है जिसके 2 चमचे हैं चंगू मंगू टाइप्स. और वो दोनों सुनील शेट्टी के वो हैं
impersonator, हाँ.
इम्पर्सनेटर्स हैं.
हाँ.
And
दोनों?
या एंड बोथ ऑफ देम, एक का नाम सुनील है, एक का नाम शेट्टी है.
ये रोहित शेट्टी ने बनाया.
Dude, so now they basically call विकी विद्या का घर कि भाई आपका जो सीडी है वो हमारे पास है, आप आके ले जाओ. वो वहाँ जाते हैं. Bro, the sequence, the controversy that has been attached to Vicky Vidya now. So the thing is,
You know this,
You
right?
mean the movie? To the movie?
To
yeah, to the movie,
yeah.
yes.
Such a shit.
They used स्त्री
भाई
in the
स्त्री
movie.
का 15 मिनट का चंक है उस फिल्म में.
क्या बात कर रहा है मतलब?
They
Yeah,
used the
dude.
character of स्त्री as is.
As is,
in,
yes.
In Vicky Vidya.
Three.
Yeah.
The three character.
The स्त्री
हाँ.
character,
Oh,
yes.
अच्छा,
So
अच्छा.
the thing is, अब जैसे मैंने बताया,
Without permission
You
from
mean
Maddox
but
Films.
श्रद्धा नहीं.
नहीं
no, the स्त्री.
But actual three.
Actual स्त्री.
And with that all the get up and
Yeah,
Yes.
same. So that's what. So अब ये जहां तक मैंने आपको बताया, this is 75% of the film कि वो ढूंढ रहे हैं
हाँ.
CD. एंड 25% में उनको ये कॉल आया गैंगस्टर का कि हमारे पास तुम्हारा CD है, तुम आके हमसे ले जाओ और कहाँ लेने आओ, शमशान घाट, ये कब्रिस्तान में. ठीक है. अब वो वहां पहुंचे हैं. सो राजकुमार और तृप्ति डिमरी गैंगस्टर को ढूंढ रहे हैं कि वो कहाँ है. ये बाय द वे वही लड़की है जो रोहित शेट्टी की फिल्म में जज नहीं बन, मतलब जो कॉमेडी रोल्स प्ले, एनीवे फक इट. तो वो लड़की है एंड वो सुनील
दीवानी
शेट्टी
है.
के साथ पहुंची है वहां पे. और वहां पे राजकुमार राव एंटर करा है और पीछे से स्त्री जाती है. एंड आई थॉट कि क्योंकि राजकुमार राव है एक
They
रैंडम
call her Stree also.
या
They call her Stree.
या देयर इज प्रॉपर डायलॉग है ओ स्त्री पर्सोना.
Yeah, bro. They've given a statement that they will edit those parts out by
by 15th by today
So
actually.
if you want to watch it,
It's
watch
already
it before-
leaked. I saw it on Twitter. Those scenes have leaked.
Leaked,
Oh, really?
bro, leaked,
Yeah,
proper
yeah.
leaked. So
मैं-
the sequence
होना
is
है
कि अब राजकुमार राव उनको देखने के लिए, like उनको ढूंढने के लिए जा रहा है
How
और
did
पीछे स्त्री जा
Rajkumar
रही
not
है.
have a problem with it?
I don't
I was
know.
like, भाई तेरे दिमाग में चमका नहीं क्या
हाँ,
कि ये
also-
copyright
या फिर
infringement
he
है?
was kept in the dark. He must have been told कि हाँ
कि
हो
हाँ,
चुका
अरे
है.
we have the rights, वो हो सकता है वैसे. हाँ.
पता नहीं ब्रो, बट दैट हैपेंड. उन्होंने पूरा लंबा चौड़ा पोस्ट डाला मैडॉक ने, फिर उसको सॉरी बोलते हुए इन लोग ने पोस्ट डाला है
हाँ.
कि हम नहीं करेंगे. एनीवे ये लोग वहां से सीडी वीडी ले आते हैं उससे और इनको पता चलता है ये
CD
तो
मिलती कैसे है? मिलती कैसे है?
वही तो बता रहा हूँ.
हाँ.
So,
Gangster के
वो
पास है.
गैंगस्टर वाले जो हैं वो इनको सीडी दे देते हैं. एंड डूड द एनीवे फक इट, दैट्स टू मच डिटेल्स. ये लोग सीडी दे देते हैं, ये लोग घर जाके सीडी चेक करते हैं तो इनको पता लगता है कि ये तो इन्होंने जो सामूहिक विवाह किया था वहां पे जिस होटल रूम में इन्होंने अपनी फर्स्ट नाइट सेलिब्रेट करी थी, ये उसकी सीडी किसी ने छुपे हुए कैमरा से बना ली है. जैसे होटल्स में छुप के तुम कैमरा नहीं छुपा देते वैसे.
So there are two
इनका वाला
CDs
So now there are two CDs.
मूवी नहीं है वो.
सो अब 85% ऑफ द फिल्म के बाद पता चलता है कि फक नाउ देयर आर 2 CDs.
हाँ.
Motherfucker. dude.
और एंड जब फिर ये लोग now
And there's a pervert out there who recorded.
of course and now the pervert is basically
The gangster.
no this
Hotel.
person होटल का राजकुमार राव का बहुत अच्छा दोस्त अपेरेंटली. ठीक है. जो ब्रो
Who
मेरे
is
को
that in the movie?
अरे जल्दी बोल, मुझे पनवेल निकलना है.
अच्छा,
actor.
okay.
So
ठीक
this
है.
movie is a sex comedy, a horror movie, a thriller.
कुछ भी है ये
Gangster.
सो दैट्स व्हाट सो
Crime.
हेंस द क्रिटिसिज्म की ऐसा लग रहा है तुमने 15 सीन लिखे
हाँ.
और उनको जोड़ दिया साथ में.
Bro, अगर स्त्री को यूज किया है तो यही लग रहा है कि कॉमेडी सर्कल का स्केच.
बिकॉज
course, yeah.
एक्चुअली उस सीन का कोई रेलेवेंस नहीं है पूरी फिल्म में. वो पूरा सीन तभी तो उसने बोला हम निकाल देंगे क्योंकि कोई फर्क ही नहीं पड़ेगा उससे. पूरी सीक्वेंस को फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा उससे.
And the audacity, dude, that's crazy.
Exactly.
Oh.
And then
I
end
feel like I've been through something like this recently. With a little show on Sony that lasted only for like 6-7 episodes. It was really a shit show.
wow.
But they copied from a very awesome show, and that's why it got shot. I feel like I relate, man. I feel bad for Maddox Films.
बट या सो अब एंड में दो तृप्ति लाइक कि चलो अब सबको सबक वबक सिखा दिया, सबको पूरी आयुष्मान खुराना लेवल
Wait,
स्पीच दे दी
what was the speech about?
कि आप ऐसा आप सामूहिक विवाह कराते हो और सामूहिक विवाह कराने
सामूहिक
के
विवाह क्या
बाद
होता है?
कम्युनिटी वेडिंग.
अच्छा वो सब बहुत
कम्युनिटी
लोगों की
वेडिंग
एक
बहुत
साथ
सारे
होती है.
लोगों की साथ में शादी करा देते हैं.
ओह, अच्छा.
और तो द स्कैंडल वाज कि बहुत सारे लोगों की साथ में शादी करा के वो उन सबको फर्स्ट नाइट फ्री देता है अपने रिजॉर्ट में
Oh, ताकि फिल्म कर सके.
तो ताकि वो उनको फिल्म कर सके. सो एंड फिर वो
Vertical integration, bro.
तो वो
That's some high level entrepreneur.
वो फिल्म करके वो दुबई स्मगल करता है. दैट्स द बिजनेस. और ये आपको एंड में पता चलता है. पूरा आयुष्मान खुराना की स्पीच होती है जो राजकुमार राव देता है.
Okay.
एंड एंड में शी इज लाइक कि चलो अब सबको सबक वबक सिखा दिया, सब कुछ हो गया वगैरह वगैरह, बट अपनी सीडी कहाँ है. तो ही इज लाइक
जो हमने इतने मुश्किल से एंगल्स से बनाई थी.
वो तो ढूंढनी पड़ेगी. एंड देन दे फाइंड आउट कि वो तो उनकी बेड के नीचे ही पड़ी हुई थी वो सीडी पूरे लाइक द एंटायर टाइम. एंड नाउ लाइक अ किड फाइंड्स इट एंड नाउ उसने वो सीडी निकाल के फ्रिस्बी की तरह बाहर फेंक दी है और वो किसी गाड़ी में चली गई और अब वो गाड़ी आगे चली गई और गाड़ी के पीछे लिखा फिर मिलेंगे. And then the last slate is Vicky and Vidya will return. I'm like, please don't at this point.
They're not gonna return, man.
110% they're not gonna return. Bro, this is a film that does not deserve,
But
require
imagine
a sequel.
if the characters make an appearance in 3-4.
It's the same character.
3-3.
राजकुमार तो वही है और फिल्म में उसका नाम भी विक्की है.
Oh, अच्छा, but वो तो रूही में भी character same है, पर
हाँ.
But Ruhi was a Maddox Films.
Yeah.
but that's what I'm saying.
This isn't.
You know, but in retrospect, Dabang और सिंघम तो मिल ही रहे हैं. They can do anything in retrospect.
Fair.
Just to make fun of how bad this movie is, they can have a throwaway line.
Yeah.
कि विकी वो ट्रिपल में के साथ क्या किया तूने वो टट्टी?
Speaking of referencing films in other films,
Yes.
in
Jigra.
Jigra,
They reference Agnipath.
they reference a lot of films. I actually
And his
had made
Vasan
a
Bala's
list
previous
up.
films.
But we all three saw Jigra, so
Yes.
We all-
very
So
quickly.
wait, okay, quickly. Rating? You want to give a rating?
That's what, like, quick thoughts for like.
Oh no,
I-
wait. I thought he finishes with Vicky Vidya thing, no?
Oh, that way.
Vicky
Sorry.
Vidya, dude. So I
Yeah.
think not a good writing. Not राजकुमार राव ने ठीक एक्टिंग करी है. And that's it.
Okay, fair enough. Chalo, move on to what Abbas was saying.
I was just saying we all saw Jigra, so it's directed by Vasan Bala, whose work we have liked in the past.
A
You've
lot,
liked
dude. I was
Mard Ko Dar Nahi
so
Hota.
disappointed.
I've also
You were
liked
disappointed,
Monica.
genuinely.
Yeah, dude. You liked it?
Yeah, so give me like a your brief opinion.
Like, why didn't you like it?
Okay, so I'll tell you. I was going with high enough expectations. Firstly, okay.
Why? But anyway,
Why not?
Because Alia Bhatt,
नहीं,
Vasan
of course.
Bala.
My expectations तो were met anyway.
Also, you guys know how much I had liked Monica Mai Darling and I kept raving about it.
yeah.
So I was really looking forward. I thought वो कुछ हटके करेगा with Alia Bhatt. It'll be awesome. It's an actioner, jailbreak. We don't often have jailbreak movies. I can only think of Diwar, the second one with Akshay Khanna and Amitabh Bachchan, जो पाकिस्तानी जेल से छूट के आते हैं. Sanjay Dutt था उसमें. वो काफी अच्छा पिक्चर है.
There's also a movie called Teen Diware, which is directed
Bro,
by
love
Rakesh
it.
Kuffner.
Love the film.
Yeah.
Love the film. Naseeruddin Shah end में कैसे सारी stories मिलती हैं, bro.
Yeah.
So exactly. So I thought it would be like थोड़ा हटके, थोड़ा nice.
And to
whatever.
the person who says कि तू सिर्फ टट्टी फिल्म में देखता है, fuck you. Anyway, continue.
वो मैं कहता हूँ.
तुझे ही बोल रहा है. Also, the film that this film is loosely a remake of, which is Gumrah.
Yes, that's the controversy.
The Mahesh Bhatt film.
But apparently, it's not.
Yeah,
a
it's
remake.
not.
Have you seen Gumrah?
I have. Yeah.
किसकी
Okay,
बात
and
कर रहे हो आप?
Is it a remake?
एक second. Sorry.
Gumrah, the Sanjay Dutt starrer, Mahesh Bhatt film.
Apparently, it deviates almost from
Oh,
the get-go.
bro. There's another controversy.
Savi, na?
Savi also.
Savi,
There are
yeah.
two. There are two.
There are two,
also a
yes.
jailbreak
But
film.
apparently, there's complete. It's not the same.
Yeah, it's not the
quite
same.
different.
I
Gumrah,
also-
I've seen the basic plot is the same. Is that
His wife gets arrested in a different
not
country
wife, I think
for
it's
drugs
his
or
girlfriend
girlfriend or
lover,
something.
and
Yeah.
he breaks her from another country.
Huh,
That's all.
yeah.
Little bit of trivia though. In that film, Soni Razdan, Alia's mother, plays like someone from her. I think her brother is in jail, so she brings him food every day. She has this side role. So it's almost like he took the Soni Razdan plot
Peg and
made-
yeah.
क्या हो रहा है यार विकी
Jigra out of it.
राजकुमार राव अपनी पिक्चर फिर से कॉपी कर रहा है आलिया अपनी मम्मी की पिक्चर कॉपी कर रही
Dude, there's a very big controversy going on with Divya Khosla also.
Who's Divya Khosla?
Yeah, we'll come to that.
Yeah, we'll come to that. पहले आप
But
बताओ
हाँ,
क्यों?
so you thought
Okay,
it
yeah.
would be something really
so I thought it would be
extraordinary.
something really good
हाँ.
dude there were so many plot holes so many just क्या हो रहा है moments okay there was Alia I felt like did almost nothing in the entire movie her thing was just being there उसकी things just happen around her
Okay.
things just happen around her for convenience and like very conveniently things happen and she just goes about it she doesn't even have much action to do I thought there was going to be an actioner action तो आलिया का है ही नहीं
Were you expecting
so many
something
things.
like Kill, like which is end to end just action,
not
full
that
blown?
but I was expecting more action
Okay.
if you're selling it as an action I don't know maybe in the trailer I
Were
misunderstood.
they selling it as an action
Yeah,
film?
Partly, yes.
were you not thinking there's going to be action at all because there was no
No,
action
No, of course I was.
Of
Yeah.
course,
Almost no
I was
action.
also thinking there would be action, and I think there was a decent amount of action towards the end. But then again,
but Alia wasn't involved in it dude also dude that fucking Landa at the
Hansraj
end he
Landa.
just became like a super villain or अकेले ही तीनों बंदों को लेगा वो doesn't make any sense and then at the end spoiler okay
By the way, did you catch that Hansraj Landa is Hans Landa?
yeah Hans
from
Landa yeah of
Inglourious
course
Basterds, huh?
yeah Inglourious Basterds But yeah, crazy, dude. So many things I had a problem with. I'll break down more because we want to
Okay.
right now keep it spoiler free. But then in about 10 minutes or so, we're going into spoilers. Deep down.
Snail,
Alright.
you brief
यार,
thoughts.
मुझे तो पसंद आई ओवरऑल. मुझे ओवरऑल प्रोडक्ट सही लगा. जो एक चीज मुझे थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम है, जो मेरे लिए वर्क नहीं करी,
प्रोडक्ट मत बुला यार पिक्चर.
मतलब जो फिल्म, हाँ, पीस ऑफ आर्ट जो था, मुझे ओवरऑल सही लगा. बस वो मोनालिसा की स्माइल थोड़ी ठीक होती ना तो. बट एनीवे, सॉरी. तो जो चीज मुझे खटकी वो ये थी कि तुमने साला जेल ब्रेक का प्लानिंग मोन्टाजेस में दिखा दिया.
Bro, also that
वो मेरे लिए थोड़ा एक टर्न ऑफ था.
inside planning, outside planning, that was such a mismatch. I did not.
That did
There was
not
no
work for you.
suspense. That not at all. There was such a mismatch that it just did not, dude.
So
That was just a
मुझे-
convenient way to kill the friend. Spoiler
So
alert.
you tell me why you liked the film. Like he told us why he
So
did.
मुझे I think the chaos that they showed within Alia's head, that I think translated very well for me. That was one. I think जो उन लोग ने एंड सो पता है, ऐसे फिनोमिनन्स होते हैं कि जब आपको पता नहीं होता बट आपकी बॉडी का सारा स्ट्रेंथ जो है वो आपकी उस एक मोमेंट में आ जाता है और आप ऐसी चीज़ें कर जाते हो जो आप ऑन योर नॉर्मल डे ह्यूमनली आप नहीं कर पाओगे.
So it's like it's a famous thing where mothers will like
लाइक
you know,
लिफ्ट कार्स
yeah,
अगर
like
उनका कोई
superhuman
या
strength
ठीक
to the
है.
child.
तो आई थिंक मुझे लगा कि उस ट्रैजेक्टरी पे जा रही थी फिल्म एंड टुवर्ड्स द एंड वो चीज़ मुझे लगा कि अच्छे से ट्रांसलेट हुई. एक और चीज़ जो मुझे अच्छी लगी वो ये थी कि आलिया को इन लोग ने कहीं पे भी डिफेंड करने की कोशिश नहीं करी. लाइक दिस पर्टिकुलरली लाइक एज अ कैरेक्टर, like there's a particular dialogue in the film where the Muthu guy,
Yeah.
he says कि he says कि
I have so many problems with
ये
Muthu,
चीज़
dude.
गलत है, ये है वो है, तुम गलत कर रही हो. एंड देन आलिया says कि मैं सही तो कभी भी नहीं कर रही थी, मैं सही नहीं हूँ, मैं सिर्फ उसकी
बस
बहन हूँ,
अंकुर मरना नहीं चाहिए.
अंकुर मरना नहीं चाहिए. सो आई थिंक ये कुछ चीज़ें थी जो मेरे लिए थोड़ी सही से वर्क करी एज अ कैरेक्टर, एज अ फिल्म. बट या द मेजर चीज़ जो मुझे मेजरली खटकी वॉज कि उन लोग ने जो प्लानिंग करी वो बहुत ही उसमें दिखा दी, क्या
Also
कहते हैं,
so
मोन्टाजेस में.
slow. Oh my
Slow?
god, the movie was damn slow. First half में कुछ हुआ ही नहीं, second half में कुछ होने वाला था और बिल्कुल ही end में जाके कुछ हुआ. The entire movie was a waste, I feel, dude.
Okay,
that
so
that whole dynamic with the family they wasted. Where's the family? Show me more of that betrayal and all.
We'll talk about that
Yeah.
in spoilers.
Jala
I think
diya, sorry.
I'm a little in between both of you. Is that I did not hate the
इधर
film.
I
बैठ
didn't
जाओ.
hate it. I didn't hate it.
I liked it. I wanted to like it more.
Same,
right?
same,
Like,
same.
So
Same. I agree, yeah.
I felt
आपको
like
तो
I
नहीं
didn't like
पसंद
it.
आई, अग्री का क्या कर रहे हो आप?
I thought it was okay, but I was really hoping to like it.
So tell me if you guys agree. I felt like this film was a little conflicted between wanting to be this all-out pulpy action thriller
Yeah.
and giving it gravitas of this emotional relationship between a brother and a sister, right?
Yeah.
I think there were times where I agree with both of you. I agree with Antriksh where it builds up to something
Yeah.
big, but then when that moment comes, it flattens out. I don't know why. Like there are moments which should have been complete like seety tali moments, but when they arrive, they fall flat.
जैसे
All
कि
flat la.
Okay, this is a spoiler.
and this is also a spoiler.
This is a linguistic spoiler.
The number of times
So-
that la came, dude.
Yeah,
Oh
but
my
dude,
God.
Singaporeans speak
No,
like
correct,
that. Dude.
I
It's
agree,
just
I agree.
Insane.
But, yeah.
Example,
You're
this
right.
is a spoiler. The moment that Antrik's talking about, where Hansraj Landa has all three of them in a headlock.
That was
Huh?
insane.
वो
And
वो
then-
थोड़ा funny था.
And then suddenly a gas bullet comes and hits
Hits him
him
on the back
behind.
of the head. Yeah.
And then he looks behind and it's just very weirdly revealed that वो आलिया ने मारा था. उसके
Yeah.
पहले वाले सीन में जब आलिया स्ट्रगल कर रही है prisoners के साथ, that scene fades out. If you remember, smoke हो जाता है and smoke से फेड आउट करके वो मैच कट करता है कि वहाँ तीनों को लिया हुआ है. And then that scene is played out in slow motion and then the reveal of Alia, that should have been a CT moment यार, कि एकदम हमको लगता है कि विलन जीतने वाला है और एकदम से कहीं से बुलेट आ जाती है और अरे भाई हीरो आ
So
गया.
मैं आपको बताता हूँ ये चीज हीरो सेक्स. Anyway,
हीरोइन
so इसमें ना पता है मुझे क्या लगा, ये कांचा चीना की तरह जैसे हुआ है.
बोलो
Anyway,
अभी तुम्हें
मौका दिया बोलने का. सो एक चीज जो मुझे उसमें लगी ना, आई थिंक यहाँ पे अब सोचो, यहाँ पे अगर अनिरुद्ध का ऐसा बीजीएम होता
Yes, yeah,
तो
yeah,
आई थिंक सो एक और चीज जो मुझे लैकिंग लगी वो फिल्म के पार्ट पे ना हो के मुझे बैकग्राउंड म्यूजिक में थोड़ी लैकिंग लगी कि
I loved the
I like the background music.
क्या बात कर रहे हो?
I thought that was the best part of the movie.
Yeah. The BGM,
Yeah.
the music even kind of did a good job. I
म्यूजिक
think-
तो अच्छा लगा
See,
मुझे,
I'll
बट
tell
आई
you- I'll
थिंक
tell you-
ऐसे मोमेंट्स अगर बीजीएम और स्ट्रांग होता तो शायद और ज्यादा निकल के आते
See, this is the hero treatment thing, right?
हाँ,
Yeah,
हाँ.
The
that's what-
hero
Mass,
treatment,
mass.
mass hero treatment. If you're going for that, go for that. You know, this movie felt like
Yeah,
they
yeah.
थोड़ा अपने आप को रोक सहम जाते थे थोड़े.
Yeah.
तो
Which is weird because it's building up to that.
Yeah.
Like the
So-
prison break, everything. Alia being this determined woman who's going to break him out of the
Yeah.
this thing. Even the within prisoners जो plan बना लेते हैं कि हम निकलने वाले हैं. Like all that dude, and before the interval when they do this non-linear thing where they reveal that the prisoners are also making a plot.
25 दिन पहले
And then they, exactly 25 days ago, ये वो I didn't think there was any need to do that
Yeah.
trickery of non-linear
Exactly.
this thing.
Exactly.
Let
I took-
and then that the plan that the prisoners make goes nowhere.
Exactly.
after the
I thought that was not
interval.
needed only then. If
Yeah.
it went nowhere, it's not needed. The only thing they wanted out of that is to kill that dude.
नो
Yeah.
नो
एक टाइम पे वो काउंटडाउन शुरू
Lose
कर
hope
देते
and kill that dude, na?
25
No.
days to
Yeah.
25 days to execution,
Yeah.
and then we never see it.
No,
I'm like
so
if you are
I think-
introducing a ticking clock
No,
element.
I'll tell you ये जो नॉन लीनियर वाली
Exactly,
बात है,
right.
आई थिंक सो it worked for me in a way कि हम लोग like when I was watching it, I think the emotion that they wanted to evoke was कि अरे मत कर वो कर तो रही है, अरे मत कर वो कर तो रहा है. I think
पर वो सेटअप क्या हुआ कि
वो इमोशन लाने
ये
की कोशिश
दोनों
कर रहे थे.
एक ही दिन
yes,
पे
that-
they both will try the same day to break them out.
Yeah.
But then that doesn't happen. The prisoners go ahead with their plan, and their plan falls flat.
Yeah.
But that's fine.
Dude, and then finally
I don't know, man. I
Alia's
just thought it
final
was-
plan
हाँ.
is not even planned. They're like, हम अभी जाके कर रहे हैं.
Yeah.
So what was the
Because
need of the entire movie? They're planning an escape which we don't even plan. They just go for it.
No, but it
Yeah,
is
bro.
planned.
No,
कहाँ
that
पे?
is barely planned.
That is to raise the stakes because their execution gets preponed.
I mean, yeah, fair.
नहीं,
I
एक
get it.
सेकंड प्रॉपरली, एक सेकंड प्लान तो था जे वो लोग पूरा अपना जो पानी वो टैंकर में पानी वानी डालते हैं, ठीक है, फिर उसके बाद उसके बाद वो वहाँ पे जब मनोज पावा ने उसके लिए ऑलरेडी एक सेकेंडरी राइड रखा हुआ होता है,
मतलब, हाँ,
मलेशिया में वो उससे बंदे को ऑलरेडी पैसे दे के बात कर, और क्या प्लानिंग चाहिए आपको?
चलो ठीक है, प्लानिंग थोड़ी बहुत थी.
थोड़ी बहुत पूरा तो प्लान बना रखा था उन्होंने.
पर it felt so like, see, you know, when I think of like, this is a jailbreak movies are heist movies, right?
Right,
Basically.
So
right.
that's what
I
I'm
want fucking slick. If you're making a slick actioner, make a fucking. See, even if you don't want action, Ocean's 11 exists, dude. Okay, show me something slick like that. Okay, you know, like fucking these boys are fucking awesome supporting characters.
But that was not the point, na bhai. The thing is, the point
In
was
Ocean's 11, they are professional.
they are professionals.
heist.
That's
yeah,
not
yeah,
the
correct. But
Here
you
they
can
are
make
not.
anything nice and slick because
I get
Vasan Bala is
that.
known for
नहीं नहीं,
slickness.
that is true. But इसमें जो characters हसन वाला ने उठाए थे, उनमें से कोई भी was not cut out to be this. It was
Again,
आलिया
agreed,
भट्ट.
again, agreed, yeah.
वो आलिया भट्ट का पूरा मोटिवेशन was ये नहीं मर सकता बस, by hook, by crook, by मैं मरूं, by ये हो, by वो वही था. एंड उसके लिए एंड आई लव द chaos that they showed within आलिया कि उसको भी नहीं पता कैसे होने वाला है, बस वो कर रही है बिकॉज एक जुनून है कि अंकुर नहीं मर सकता. एंड आई थिंक दैट रियली केम आउट वेल. अगर आप उसको ये सोचो कि वो किल की तरह एक्शन करे या फक किल की तरह एक्शन करे,
Action करे भाई,
एक्शन
कुछ तो
भी अगर
action कर
करे
ले.
तो भाई जरूरत ही नहीं है ना उसको. लाइक द थिंग इज उसको आता ही नहीं है, वो क्या एक्शन करेगी
यार
वो उसको लिटरली नहीं आता है. उसको एक फावड़ा और वो
in
देके
the
भेज
middle
दिया अंदर.
in the middle while fighting when first she meets Muthu, okay, and
Yeah.
she says no that I'm a yellow belt in karate.
Yeah.
Okay, but I don't play by the rules.
Yeah.
I thought they're establishing that she doesn't play by the rules, but she good at action. Why even have that line if they're not? You're gonna use that line, dude.
नहीं नहीं भाई, the thing
That's the point of these lines.
No,
See, in
so
other films. Okay.
So that was to suggest that उसके लिए कुछ भी मैटर नहीं करता except getting her goal.
Oh, that's agreed. But dude, why miss the opportunity of having good action? If you're going in a jailbreak movie, show her doing good action. Why miss that opportunity?
मैं कह रहा हूँ कि अगर वो बहुत ही कमाल का एक्शन कर लेती ना भाई वहां पे जाके, जैसे आप कह रहे हो कि स्लिक वो एक मार रहा है, वो ऐसे रोक के दूसरी कर रही है, दैट वुड हैव नॉट बीन ट्रू टू द कैरेक्टर.
No. I'm not saying it has to be. The action need not look slick. there are enough movies of brawling also, no, like, you know, street brawling, very haphazard,
But that's-
it makes it adds to the movie, it adds to the plot.
भाई वो उस उतने
adds to the character
chaotic
even.
सीन में जहाँ स्मोक बॉम्ब्स पड़ रहे हैं, लोग मार रहे हैं, इनकलाब के वो चल रहे हैं,
You are
उस
just defending
Yeah,
everything that is
obviously.
in the movie.
नो मैं उसी लास्ट सीक्वेंस की ही बात कर रहा हूँ. आई थिंक
Exactly.
इट्स नॉट ट्रू टू द कैरेक्टर कि अगर वो एकदम स्लिक हो जाती लास्ट
But
मोमेंट में.
it can easily be true to that character.
How?
Dude, I just told you, karate yellow belt, she already said. But I don't play by the rules. That means she's a street, like a street fighter kind of thing.
No, I think
That's what it implies, dude.
His point is valid. Your point is also valid. For him,
No, this is not valid.
for him, it set up something that didn't have a
Yeah.
payoff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For you, it didn't strike you there. So
For him, the
fair
payoff
enough.
was perfect.
I want to talk about the Muthu character. So
वो मुझे लगा
the
कि
film
थोड़ा
is so
हाँ.
convenient because
Yeah.
The movie didn't know what to do with him.
exactly because it needs him to make a double turn. Okay.
Yes.
That
First
death,
time,
oh my God,
first
the
time he comes
stupidest
on their
fucking
side
thing.
in that alley when they fight and they're like,
Yeah.
okay, I agree, I'll fight on your side. Then when they change their plan and they're like, we're gonna mass break the jail and everybody will
Yeah.
leave.
Yeah.
So then he's like, no, I do not agree with this. Okay. Now at that point, I'm like, okay, they're setting up that Muthu
Yes,
now will be
I
against
agree.
them.
I
So
agree.
that's such an interesting thing. Someone from your team is now going to be the
Yeah.
final boss you
Yeah.
have to fight against.
Yeah.
But they kill him and they again उसमें भी they let him off, like Alia doesn't kill him. तो वो morality भी चली गई, वो बस गिर के मर गया
Bro,
accident
but
से.
I mean, वैसे she did kill him. She pushed him. In all fairness.
Yeah, but that has no effect on her. Like
Correct.
there is no weight
There's
of her
that,
having
dude,
killed
and also
someone.
the dumbest fucking way of dying. Why? Why
The
does he
fall.
have to show up on a bike, say, hey, Satya, I have to go against you, okay? And then in front of her, call the guy in front of her for her to then bash into his fucking bike. Makes no sense. He can't just give her a call and say, Satya, look, तुम जो कर रहे हो ठीक नहीं कर रहे हो. I will have to be against you. He has to show up on a bike like a fucking idiot.
भाई वही तो दिखाया कि वो इतना
क्या वो dumb था, dumb
उसूलों का पक्का है ना भाई.
क्या?
अगर
उसमें उसूल क्या है?
उसने एक अपने टीम पार्टनर को वो फेस टू फेस बताना चाह रहा है कि भाई अब मैं तेरे अगेंस्ट हूँ. वो
Dude,
पूरा फुल
that-
डिस्क्लोजर के साथ वो करना चाह रहा है.
Does that ever happen? Is that ever going to happen? कि
That's okay. Cinematic liberty
but
लिया है.
मतलब why will
अंतरिक्ष तो
someone
ऐसे हो जाता है.
Why will someone show up? There,
Bro, of
Because
course
it's cool when two bikes are going against
that did not look
each
cool at
other.
all. Firstly,
No, I think till they fall off, that sequence is cool. Them falling into the tree was a little
हाँ,
ridiculous.
so
that whole thing was
I
not needed
will
only.
agree.
They
will
could have-
agree.
They could have, if you want to get rid of Muthu, there are a million one ways to do it, dude. Why are you choosing this? Which
I
is
would
not
have liked
impactful.
if Manoj Pawar's character got rid of him because he's an ex-gangster.
Yes.
So
Yeah,
it is
fair.
implied that
So
he must
again,
have.
that makes sense.
मुझे एक चीज जो मुझे प्रॉब्लम लगी अपार्ट फ्रॉम द मोन्टाज जो उन्होंने दिखाया वाज कि मुत्तू का कैरेक्टर मेरे लिए वाज एक ही पर्पस सर्व किया वो इंसान. वो ये था कि उनको इंटरनेशनल वाटर से निकलने का पर्पस निकलने का तरीका दे गया. एंड जो मेजर प्लॉट होल वहाँ पे ये था कि अगर वहाँ पे उसका दोस्त बोलता कि मुत्तू कहाँ है,
हाँ.
मुत्तू नहीं है तो मैं तो तुम्हें ले ही नहीं रहा.
Correct,
Yeah, I don't even know.
तो
you
वो
are-
किस ट्रस्ट पे तुम इंटरनेशनल वाटर्स चले गए. मुत्तू तो तुमने मार दिया. अब उसका दोस्त बोले मुत्तू किधर.
Correct.
तो ये मेरे को एक प्लॉट
But there were
वो
so
लगा
many
कि
of these
भाई
plot holes, dude.
यार प्लॉट होल्स तो मतलब
काफी
बताओ
थे
ना.
तो.
बोलो.
So, for instance, I can't think of like for instance,
Boom.
they're relying.
Lawyered. Boom. Judged.
They were relying on okay, chalo, that one that
हाँ.
turned out to be that dude's girlfriend who died. The guard.
The guard
Yeah.
turns
Yeah.
out.
But
to
I
be-
was thinking, oh, they were relying on the guard to go for a smoke, but then she led him off to the smoke, which I did, then
Yeah.
backpedal on. But there were a few.
हाँ,
like,
हाँ,
I
बोलो,
can't- I
wait
can't
कर रहे हैं.
recall. I can't
अच्छा,
also recall
अच्छा,
every fucking stupid moment from the movie.
अच्छा.
I think more than plot holes, it was like
And this Muthu thing,
the
Muthu
screenplay
dying
was-
is a plot hole. In the sense,
Not- it's
too
a plot
convenient.
convenience.
It's a
Yeah,
convenience.
it's not a plot
convenience.
hole,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah. Too many plot conveniences for
Yeah.
sure. Manoj Power dying again. Why?
that I
required-
found cool, bro.
Bro,
It was good.
Yari hai Iman.
Yeah,
It was
good.
good,
Also,
but
I'll tell you.
Was it needed?
Yeah, I'll tell you why.
It wasn't, but it was cool.
No, I'll tell you why it was needed. It was not needed तो कुछ भी नहीं होता फिल्म में. पर मैं आपको बताता हूँ उसका सेंस कहाँ बनता है. फुल सर्कल जब वो लोग बैठ के दारू पी रहे होते हैं ना, आलिया भट्ट और मनोज पावा और मुत्तू, तो वो एक बात वो स्टार्टिंग अपनी पहली 1-2 मिनट में बोलता है कि कर्मा बड़ी ऐसी चीज होती है आपको काट ही जाती है. तो अगर वो अपना एक कर्मा रिवर्स कर रहा था अपने बच्चे को बाहर निकाल के, तो उसको वो कर्मा पे ऑफ करना ही था. उसने पूरी जिंदगी वो गैंगस्टर रहा है, वो कर्मा पे ऑफ करता ही अपना. अगर उसका बच्चा उसको लग रहा था कि इनोसेंट है, एंड अब तक उसका कर्मा ट्रीटमेंट उसके बच्चे का अंदर रहने से हो रहा था, जब उसका बच्चा बाहर निकल रहा है तो वो कर्मा पे ऑफ करेगा ही.
I just felt with almost so many things in the movie, they could have done a little more to make it more impactful, to make it more interesting, to more engaging, more suspenseful. और नहीं किया उन्होंने.
I actually
And
think
almost everything.
I think the film is too long. If this was like a 100-minute tight jailbreak movie, I would have enjoyed it a lot more.
Yeah, agreed.
And the other thing that is undercooked is the whole political upheaval that is happening in
The family.
Not the family.
Oh, in,
जो
in
Inqilab
in-
Zindabad
yeah,
वाला
Inqilab
है.
Zindabad. Revolution.
Because they again it's used as a plot convenience के Bhatia then recruits these revolutionaries because they know where the weapons are coming from.
Yeah.
And then that pivotal moment where she breaks into the jail and she just says Inqilab Zindabad and the riot starts.
I also feel the whole family angle could have been so much more interesting.
Yeah.
Like after once the brother is in the jail and been betrayed, they just forget about the family angle, dude. कुछ तो करते हैं उसके साथ यार.
जला तो दिया, अब क्या करेगा.
जला दिया यार. फैमिली को मारा थोड़ी है, कुछ किया तो नहीं है. There's no retribution actually.
But she
for the family.
hit them where it hurt, no? Warehouse
हाँ,
जला
उसका
दिया.
बिजनेस जला दिया, खत्म. स्टार्टिंग में वो बोलती है कि वी आर नॉट फैमिली, वी आर स्टाफ. उसको ये बात क्लियर है. उसको ये बात भी क्लियर है कि इन लोगों ने उसको फंसाया है क्योंकि उसका वो नहीं है. ये बात
यार-
अंडरस्टूड है कि वो वापस नहीं जाने वाली उनके पास.
But it's very lackluster, dude. How you not getting that? It's not like this. Is this the perfect way to show this
भाई
whole
ऐसा-
angle?
But that would be then one more thing to add in an
Exactly,
already
अब
overstuffed
कितनी-
movie.
Dude, already the movie, dude, all this multiple escape plans happening and all, it was not needed. It could have been one plan. Stick to that plan. Make the plan fucking awesome. Make something go wrong in the plan, like in every heist movie. Make the correction of that awesome, and then you have time for so many other things, dude.
But then
You
why-
have play Muthu's character right?
बट देन द थिंग इज कि आप यही सेम ट्रेजेक्ट्री आप हर हाइस्ट मूवी में देखते हो. इसमें भी एक और देख लेते.
यार,
आई थिंक
it
यार
was-
एक बार
this-
it
changing
really
the-
did not work for you कि दो हाइस्ट प्लान्स साथ
No,
में चल रहे हैं.
no,
you're like कि
because that one led to nothing.
That's what I was expecting. It
wasted.
will lead to some sort of a mess on the day of the escape.
Yeah, that would have been
But
awesome. I would have loved that.
Instead,
That's
the
what I was
film
expecting.
chose itself to go ahead with one that the only thing that did was prepone the execution date for
Yeah.
Vedang Raina's character.
So I
So, yeah.
can see the treatment where you're saying कि चलो वो दोनों साथ बना रहे होते और वो दोनों fuck करते या दोनों
Yeah.
या उस वो conflict कर देता
Yeah,
उस चीज
yeah.
को.
Another
That-
plot convenience.
अरे,
Isn't that what the interval point promises you?
So I agree. It does. And एक तरीके से वो भी सही है कि but I think जो स्टोरी में भी एक तरीके से वो कॉन्फ्लिक्ट बढ़ाता है तो है ही है ना कि जो मनोज पावा कैरेक्टर है वो इंसिडेंट जो हुआ है वो उसको फोर्स कर देते हैं टू गो बैक टू द गैंगस्टर शिट दैट ही यूज्ड टू डू.
No, but he was already the moment they decide for the jailbreak, he's already in, na.
No.
जब
No,
वो
no.
चक्कू छुरिया वाला गाना सुन रहा होता है उसके साथ बैठ के
हाँ.
जंजीर का, that's the point where he's like, okay, I'm back in, no.
But I am back in is after their heist has after the inmates heist has failed.
Not really. I think he's decided he's gonna support her before that.
he's decided that he's going to support her, but with an entire plan कि मैं पुलिस का वैन बनाऊंगा, मैं पैसे लगाऊंगा, मैं ये करूंगा, मैं वो करूंगा. I think that is when their plan fails and now he knows कि हमारे पास सिर्फ आज की ही रात है करने
But
के लिए.
again, that inciting incident wasn't needed. He would have anyway. He wanted to break his son out.
Yeah.
So then he would have gone ahead with it anyway.
नहीं मतलब हाँ, that is another treatment जो आप दोनों कह रहे हो कि हो सकता है एंड में वो दोनों plans collide करते हैं.
Another supremely dumb plot convenience. Okay, is
The funniest part is he was the most excited about Jigra.
Jigra, bro.
And I was the least excited about Jigra.
that's it, dude. That's my disappointment is showing. No, so the thing is, that whole thing at the end, where don't worry, father, I will not shoot a gun in this room. Okay, it's a holy space, whatever.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, why the fuck would you not keep a couple of your guards with you to take care of these fuckers? Okay, why let all
Because
them
there's a
go?
riot going on outside, right?
So you want to be a superhero in that riot? Lock them in the room and
But
then fucking
तू-
go and handle your riot.
Technically सोचना यहाँ इस रूम में 3 कैदी हैं, बाहर हजारों हैं.
हाँ.
Obviously, you're gonna shift the power outside to control them,
Absolutely.
right?
Why do you
And
ha-
because
why you say-
Hansraj Landa is this guy who's
Egoistic person
high
कि
on
मैं तो
power.
कर लूंगा.
So he feels I'll fucking take care of them. Anyway, they are on death row. All I have to do is kill them.
and they don't have any weapons
Yeah.
and he's like बच्चे ही तो हैं 20-22 साल
उसको
के
क्या
मैं
मालूम
मार
है कि
दूंगा
that just
बहन आ रही
becomes
है।
that
yeah dude
that he just feels like a dumb planner.
So
then, dude.
I'll tell you what I felt with him is that there is no reason ever given for his evilness. We are just
Yeah,
supposed
correct.
to buy the fact that he's this guard,
No,
prison
and then
guard.
the flip. See, first
And
no.
my thing is, why didn't they just let him talk in Hindi? Like, why does he have
Yeah,
to be?
which is, but I must say he did catch that accent quite well.
Totally, very good.
Yeah,
Yeah,
very
he's a
good.
very good actor called Vivek Gombar, by the way.
Another thing
yes
that I found like very, I don't know what to say, like off-putting
एक
or like
एक
just weird.
second अंतरिक्ष
हाँ?
भाई before you continue I just want to ask you one little cute sweet question कुछ पसंद है आपको इस मूवी में से
Yeah, Manoj Pava was awesome.
हाँ, फिर ठीक चलो
Manoj
as
Pava-
long as
Dude,
I
I,
think
have nothing but good things to say about
I
Manoj
think
Pava.
I think we are 35 minutes into the episode. This is the first good thing that you've said
Dude,
about
dude,
the film.
See, the thing is, I just wanted to like it a
Yeah,
lot
yeah.
more than what I
understand,
did.
Yes.
So did
Okay.
I, but overall I liked it. It's not like it's
यार I didn't come out of the theater happy and like feeling like wow
Okay.
क्या मस्त पिक्चर देख ली मैंने. I didn't.
सोचो हम कल इनके थिएटर के बाद ही रिकॉर्ड कर लेते
Yeah.
ओ भाई आलिया पिक्चरें करना बंद कर देते
Ulta, had you back then like just coming out, I didn't like dislike it so much.
ओके
Now I'm like it was very.
I mean,
it could have been so
everything
much.
on this episode is contrary to that. कितनी चूजिया चीज लगी ना मेरे को.
this
But, हाँ, what
is
was-
basically
what
Antariksh's
was-
Brahmastra moment.
He still has a few more things. Yes.
Manoj Pava was amazing.
Amazing, dude.
Manoj Pava
Amazing.
has this, like friendly, fatherly,
Yeah,
likable
dude.
vibe without even I feel trying. That's his personality.
I really want him to be a guest on this podcast.
Yeah, that would be awesome. I would love Manoj Pava.
Yeah, I swear.
Please make it happen, guys. Please.
पता है वो मेरे जिम में आते हैं.
Oh, अच्छा.
तो बुला लेना.
So Manoj Pava was lovely in the film. Okay, I loved him, dude. He was also like. He's been having like a dream run right now.
Yeah,
dude.
I know.
He's fucking everything he's touching. He's awesome, man.
Yeah.
But regardless of whether the project is that great or not, Anyway. Another thing I had a problem with Landa was his character. When they first showed him, they showed him as just a guy who's doing his job, right?
Yeah.
And then उसका कब भैंचोद villain बन गया पूरा ऐसे end में he's
No, but
literally
that-
the
वो
last
तो-
scene of the film he's literally just holding 2 guns in his hand shooting at them from fucking afar and across international borders that did not go with the character at all for me.
Okay,
dude.
when you go to when you join a new office, okay, and when you see a new boss, पहली बार जब तू देखेगा तो तेरे को लगेगा ना अच्छा कि ये तो बॉस है अपनी ड्यूटी कर रहा है. The more you spend time there, the more the reality comes out, right?
Are you comparing,
No,
Are you comparing
all characters in this story are
are you
fictitious.
comparing this with an
No, I'm
actual
saying-
boss like in real
Because
life?
in that, no, I'm not comparing it to
What are you talking about? dude?
Yes.
What are you
I'm
talking
saying
about?
जेल में जब भी पहली बार कोई जाएगा कि वो तेरे स्ट्रिप एंड सर्च करने वाला है तो तेरे को लगेगा हाँ ये तो गार्ड है. बाद में तेरे को पता चला अच्छा ये तो इतना कमीना आदमी हर चीज में ये बदला लेता है. एंड देन बाय सो स्लोली his real colors will come out ना यार. अभी उतना निटपिक तो तू क्यों कर रहा है?
Yeah, see, I would have. I thought they are going with. I was like relating with him more when I was like, okay,
Okay.
they
With Landa?
are showing him. Yeah. No.
इसलिए इसको अच्छा नहीं
भाई,
लगा.
भाई.
मैं विलन तो नहीं हो सकता.
I was relating with him till his character was that I'm just doing my job, dude. Doing my job, but I believe in my job.
So,
that was the angle.
I think मुझे
I believe in this nation. I believe that people with drug offenses should get death penalties. All of that. I was buying that because I thought that was a character.
आप
Once he
मुत्तू
just
के
shifted-
कैरेक्टर की बात कर रहे हो आप.
नहीं लांडा.
नहीं लांडा होने
ओह अच्छा.
Muthu to was chutiya throughout. No, I'm joking. Muthu, I just have so many problems with on so many levels.
मुत्तू
The film is shot well. The film looks very stylistic and
Agreed,
cool.
that it does.
Yeah,
yes,
yeah.
yeah. But थोड़ा plot में भी काम करना चाहिए था,
Okay.
Vasant Bala, come on this show. We'll talk about all this.
Yeah, please. But the film has a lot of references. I mean, starting from Alia's
Sikandar
name.
Kher.
Alia's
Okay,
name
Satya.
Satya,
Satya
is
yeah, correct.
from Satya.
Yeah.
Sikandar Kher makes a cameo appearance.
Radhika
I think
Madan makes a-
Radhika Madan also makes a cameo
Car,
appearance. Manoj Pava's name is Bhatia, which he was in Office
Correct,
Bhatia
correct.
ji.
Yes, Bhatia ji,
So
right.
he's that. Of course, she's watching Agnipath on the flight.
Yeah.
So you know it's going to build up to her.
Fireworks.
I thought the Bachchan thing was a little hammered home. Like she's watching
हाँ.
Agnipath, then later on they're saying also अब तो बच्चन
बच्चन
बनना
बनना है,
पड़ेगा.
हाँ.
That at one point
गाने भी अमिताभ बच्चन के चल रहे
Okay,
हैं.
Zanjeer भी,
One
हाँ.
part I did like was
Oh yes.
Manoj Pava with an empty gun shooting.
हाँ, वो
through
बहुत
the
सही
air.
था.
I like, अरे empty है, it's empty, it's empty.
That therapy scene was also quite good, I think. Where counseling session.
Okay,
where
how
which
they
they go
Yeah.
for.
Where
Yeah.
nobody
Also,
achieved anything, just like
Even I
therapy.
felt like punching that white guy in the face. He was making no sense with whatever
He
logic.
wasn't a
doing.
white guy, bro. He was an Asian guy.
Was it an Asian guy?
Yes.
I thought it was a white dude.
No.
Oh, Asian
He
guys, I
also
don't want to hit
keeps-
in the face. I don't see color.
Kamla.
Harris.
Then at one point in one scene, Vedang's, I think that's Vedang's intro scene. Where,
Oh, we didn't talk about Vedang. What did you
I
feel
liked
about
him.
Vedang?
I
Even I
think-
liked him.
He was
Yeah,
nice.
he
yeah.
had
So I
some
think
good
उसके crying scenes उतने अच्छे नहीं थे जितने अच्छे उसके pain scenes थे.
Does he not look like a younger Ranveer?
रणवीर
Singh?
सिंह,
yeah,
yes. जिसमें वो हल्की हल्की दाढ़ी वाला था, वो तो ऐसा लग रहा था बैंड बाजा बारात वाले रणवीर सिंह को थोड़ा गोरा कर दिया.
हाँ, yeah. थोड़ा साउथ बॉम्बे.
या साउथ बॉम्बे से अगर वो वैसे रणवीर सिंह साउथ
है,
बॉम्बे का ही है.
हाँ.
बट डूड विल हैव टू गिव इट टू रणवीर कि उसने पहली फिल्म जनकपुरी का लड़का बन के करी और लोगों ने मान लिया कि वो सच में दिल्ली का है. और असली में वो 300 कैरेट का डायमंड पहनता है अपने कान में.
It's called acting.
आई नो ब्रो.
Acting la.
एक्टिंग ला.
I was saying though, in that scene, that Ghazal is playing Jhuki Jhuki Si Nazar,
Yeah.
which is from Mahesh Bhatt's film. I think it's from Earth. So again, little
Yeah.
nod to the head. Anything else that you guys noticed?
You want to talk about the अच्छा oh
or anything?
yeah do you want to talk about the Divya Khosla controversy that's happening?
What is
So
it?
break it down for us, like
Are
very
we
in
done
brief.
with Jigra?
Like do you want to thrash it more?
I mean,
Let's see what else we want to talk about. There's a Divya Khosla.
There's the Divya Khosla controversy that's going on with Jigra. So
Wait, you thought I was ending the episode? huh?
yeah I was like क्या घटिया आदमी है रे.
He was like, what is this?
अभी एडिट में ऑफ कैमरा बोला, अभी मैं कंटिन्यू करता हूँ. बट एनीवे चलो. सो द थिंग इज कि सवी एक फिल्म आई थी कुछ टाइम पहले नेटफ्लिक्स पे.
Okay.
ठीक है.
नहीं थिएटर में भी आई
थिएटर
थी.
मतलब ऐसे मैंने नेटफ्लिक्स पे देखी थी. तो आपने देखी है सवी?
नहीं मैंने देखी नहीं है, बट उसमें एक गाना जो है वो मेरी एक टीचर ने लिखा है. That's how I know about the movie.
चलो ग्रेट.
What? Did you also have the teacher who wrote Ande Ka Fanda? What?
No.
Oh, okay.
So what was that joke? I didn't get
No,
it.
no, no.
anyway.
Ande Ka Fanda was written by a teacher, Mikhail's teacher.
Oh
Professor
really?
Mikhail Almeida.
Fuck, I did not know this.
Professor, yeah.
Oh shit.
And the teacher would come to college, and that was like his main selling point of
Claim to
himself.
fame, huh?
So he would tell all the students, and at the
What
end
did he
of the
teach?
lecture, he would sing it, dude.
What subject did you teach?
Maths. He was
Maths.
maths professor.
Oh,
What?
fuck.
Yeah. Literally, dude. Isn't that
तभी
insane?
अंडे का फंडा.
Yeah, yeah. Isn't that insane?
फन. सो सवी का बेसिक प्लॉट ये है कि सवी में जो दिव्या का कैरेक्टर है वो उसके जो हस्बैंड है उसको मर्डर के लिए जेल कर देते हैं बाहर. ऑब्वियसली लाइक
Wrongfully convicted.
रॉन्गफुली कन्विक्ट कर देते हैं. वो बार बार बोलता रहता है कि भाई मैंने नहीं किया बट ऑल एविडेंस जो है वो उसके अगेंस्ट, वो लोग जो उसके ऑपोजिशन वाले लॉयर्स हैं वो उसकी तरफ कर देते हैं और वो उसको डेथ सेंटेंस दे देते हैं. तो सवी इज बेसिकली लाइक कि मैं इसको अंदर मरने नहीं दे सकती. एंड देन शी ट्रैक्स डाउन द कैरेक्टर ऑफ अनिल कपूर हु इज अ प्रोफेशनल जेल ब्रेकर ऑफ सॉर्ट्स. ठीक है. एंड इज द मास्टर ऑफ डिस्गाइज. तो वो जो किताब लिख रहा है शायद जेल ब्रेक पे या किसी चीज़ पे, तो शी इज़ लाइक कि आपको मेरी हेल्प करनी पड़ेगी, मेरा ये सीन है. तो वो कहता है अच्छा ठीक है. सो बेसिकली अ रिटायर्ड जेल ब्रेक कॉन्विक्ट ऑफ सॉर्ट्स मिल के इस लड़की के साथ, सवी के साथ, उसके हस्बैंड को जेल ब्रेक करवाता है और वो लोग कैसे पुलिस से बच के पानी के रास्ते इंटरनेशनल वाटर्स निकल जाते हैं. या
Was it a good film?
तो देख सकते हो आप.
Okay.
तो कंट्रोवर्सी क्या है?
तो द कंट्रोवर्सी इज कि ये प्लॉट से आपको जिगरा का कुछ आया.
Sure.
ठीक है. तो जब जिगरा में ये हुआ कि सो आई डोंट सी इट एज अ कॉपी. एक दो बीट्स सेम है. आई अंडरस्टैंड दैट.
Also, international waters is very common. I think,
या
in-
सो एक दो बीट्स सेम है एंड आई गेट दैट. सो नाउ द थिंग इज हुआ क्या. सो ये सारे बात कर रहे थे ट्रेलर देख के, मैंने भी शायद एपिसोड पे बोला था. बट हुआ क्या, दिव्या खोसला ने अपने इंस्टाग्राम पे स्टोरी डाल दी कि वॉचिंग जिगरा इन अ थिएटर
is a copy.
और
She put an empty.
पूरा
theater was
एम्प्टी थिएटर है और क्या तुमने खुद ही टिकट खरीद के कलेक्शंस दिखा दिए वगैरह
Yeah.
वगैरह. सच
And
कभी
she
नहीं
ends
छुपता
with
है.
Alia Bhatt really has a lot of jigra.
जिगरा, yeah, with the hashtag of this. एंड देन करण जौहर सेज कि साइलेंस, करण जौहर स्टोरी डालता है कि मैं साइलेंस,
Karan Johar like a mean girl, you know, he puts like
Bro, Karan is
quote,
already,
status
already in
update
the
डाल
midst
दिया.
of selling his company. He doesn't want more controversy.
तो ये सब चल रहा है करण जौहर का कि वो स्टोरी वोरी डाल रहा है, एंड देन उसकी स्टोरी पे उसकी स्टोरी का रिप्लाई करते हुए दिव्या स्टोरी डालती है कि साइलेंस इज ओनली फॉर दोस्त जिनको जवाब नहीं है, ये वो. सो डूड द थिंग इज बेसिकली टू ऑफ द रिचेस्ट production houses of the country, Dharma and T Series.
Dharma is not exactly richest, I wouldn't say now anymore.
भाई देखो Reddit
Also, I
Reddit
think
stories.
Wiki Vidya का वो वाला video, I think one of the producers is T Series, right?
Yes.
So there's this whole thing.
Yeah.
Irony. Oh my God!
Yeah.
Your film is getting sued by Maddock for stealing their thing, and now you're
and the thing is now the PR around it is going कि with like Jigra is so bad कि वो विकी विद्या का collection भी match नहीं कर पा रही है despite having like Alia.
Is Jigra not doing well? Like, I don't
So
know.
Jigra like जितना आलिया भट्ट वाला factor और जितना hype around था उतना money नहीं आया, but one of my friends also told me कि शायद उतने screens भी इन लोगों ने नहीं लिए हैं for the film. अब I don't know क्या सच है क्या नहीं है क्या नहीं है, but this is the whole.
My screen, I saw it in Bandra at Larev.
भाई मेरा तो थिएटर पूरा फुल था, मेरा फुल था थिएटर,
मेरा हाफ फुल था.
आगे वाली रो खाली थी बस, बाकी पूरा फुल था.
मेरा फुल तो नहीं था पर
I don't know dude, I didn't feel कि जिगरा को जितना हेट मिल रहा है उतना जिगरा डिजर्व करती है.
Like Antariksha.
And yet a 6.5 out of 10.
I think it's fully deserved what I said. Every single part of what I said is fully deserved.
We also think it's full. What we said is also fully.
But
deserved.
acha, would you not recommend people to go and watch it in the theaters?
Or you can do a one-time watch. Yeah. Dude, there's no way it's a movie they're gonna watch again and again. Are you saying that?
नहीं
I don't know.
मैं
When it
पूछ-
comes on streaming, I don't mind watching it
Yeah.
again.
Then it would be like a movie that you watch only on streaming and not a theater watch. You know?
Yeah, because it won't be in the theaters all the time.
No, not what I'm saying. I'm saying it's more a streaming movie. It's not like a theater experience type movie.
No, yeah, I
Dancing
think-
like.
But ठीक है, from all three of us, I think you can watch the film once in the theater.
Yeah.
बोलेंगे इतना शोर शराबा करके इतना चिल्ला के बोल रहे देख लो.
नहीं यार देखना तो चाहिए, हम तो देखो कह ही रहे थे देख लो. अंतरिक्ष भाई भी कह रहे हैं कि देखो. अंतरिक्ष भाई के अकॉर्डिंग शायद स्ट्रीमिंग पे मत देखना, पर उसके बाद एक बार अगर थिएटर में
एक बार देखना. Only once. खबरदार.
You only watch जिगरा once.
Yes.
But
So,
ठीक
yeah,
है.
yeah,
That's the conversation around जिगरा. Wow dude, हमने इंटरवल तक की तो बात ही कर ली हमने जिगरा की.
हमने प्लॉट कभी बताया ही नहीं कि वो जेल क्यों जाता है, क्या जाता है. We just started with our
क्या
own
जाना है?
shit.
यार हाँ.
ठीक है यार, फिगर आउट कर लेना. पढ़
Figure
लेना.
out कर लेना,
IMDb
yeah.
में पढ़ लेना.
All right, cool. That brings us to the end of this
Yes.
episode of
Yes.
Pop Conversation. I've been Antrish Shakkar.
अब्बास भाई आज कोई गेम नहीं लाया आप हमारे लिए.
नहीं आज नहीं लाया.
Shits. Creek. Anyway. That's Antariksh Chakkar. I am Snehal Aneja. This is Abbas Moment.
Follow us
him.
everywhere.
Yeah. Okay.
And see you again next week, which we are
Bye.
recording right now.
Right now. अभी ये बंद करेंगे, दूसरा रिकॉर्ड करेंगे, बस टी-शर्ट चेंज
That's how much
करेंगे.
we love you guys.
I asked you guys to bring a change your t-shirt and I only didn't bring it.
Oh, I got. Sure.
Even I got.
Abbas, you can just change
Anyway.
positions.
इसी को उल्टा करके पहन लो.
Ha, it'll be ah.
That's what she said.